I manifested it. So that's why it happened.
Okay, you have
Yeah.
manifested. Oh my god, people are manifesting me. The session as like, and that is why, okay,
You're
you
a
are
good
manifested.
speaker, I must say, and you are helping a lot of people improving
Okay.
their spoken English confidence level. So,
Your
yeah,
affirmations are
because
working
I
then.
knew that.
Good
Yeah,
evening and welcome to the session. How are you?
I'm great. How are you? And sorry for being late.
No
Actually, I
problem.
didn't get your. Yeah.
I got that.
So
I
this
got.
is usually my. This
Uh-huh.
is usually my walking time. At this
Okay.
time, I go for a walk. So
Mm-hmm.
I left the home to go to the park, and
Mm-hmm.
suddenly I saw your message. So I got back to home.
Oh my god. But I'm glad that you came, and I knew that okay, I was I guess 5 minutes late, and I thought maybe today we would not be able to make it, but I thought to just wait.
Uh,
Let's see if she joins. And I'm happy to
yeah,
see you
thank you
that you
so much
joined.
for waiting. Yeah, because I really tried a lot to
Hmm.
connect with you, and
I don't know
I'm
why.
really, really
Without
happy.
meeting you, I got this, positive aura, positive energy from your mail itself. And that is why, otherwise, I don't, I don't know when I get, this kind of energy, automatically I get that patience. Like it's been now more than 20 minutes I have been waiting, but
Oh,
I didn't
yeah.
realize that,
Thank you
okay, I've
so
been
much.
waiting for
Thank
20
you so
minutes.
much. I've been looking for like from long time, and
Mm-hmm.
finally I'm able to meet you. So I'm very excited and happy and little bit nervous too, because
Pretty.
this is the first time I'm doing
Mm-hmm.
this. So
Oh,
yeah, this
okay,
is very
okay.
natural. Yeah.
Wow, but I loved your energy and the confidence you have. Okay, let's start then. First, I would love to know about yourself.
Yeah, so as you know, my name is Niharika Gupta. I live in Delhi, and by profession, I'm a UI UX designer. And I graduated in S History Design from National Institute of Fashion Technology in the year 2023. And in my leisure time, I really like to go on a walk or do exercise. And recently, I also adopted the habit of reading books. So yeah, that's all about me.
That's pretty good to know about you. Okay, you live in Delhi, so how's the weather there right now?
It is hot, not that great. Actually, I am currently working from home,
Mm-hmm.
so I'm hardly able to tell you that how is the weather outside. But in the evening, it a lot much better. So yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, here also it is scorching hot, but in the evening, right, just after before this session, it started raining. No, it didn't rain like much, but yes, we got so a little bit cloudy, you can say. But yes, feeling great now after getting a little rain.
Uh,
Okay. As you
And I
mentioned that,
must say, I just want to tell you something. It's your background is really looking beautiful. It's
thank you so
lovely,
much. It's been a long
and the
time that I
lilac color
had
which you
this
use.
desire to have a
Yeah,
background like this. So yeah,
yeah.
it gives the
And
positive
I have seen
energy.
this post. You
Mm-hmm.
yeah, have seen the post you posted
Mm-hmm.
about redecorating
Okay.
your studio. So yeah, it is looking really great.
So I can see Niharika that your English is good. What made you to send me an email and have a conversation?
Ooh, I have no. The like when we start talk more, then you're able to understand. It's not the case. I
Okay.
Sometimes I get very nervous, uh,
Mm-hmm.
and I still think there's a lot of room to improvement,
Mm-hmm.
and because I feel that I'm unable to articulate my thoughts in really good manner, because it's not the problem of English. Even when I talk in Hindi, I feel that I it's not like I want to improve my English, spoken English. I really want to improve my communication skill. So
Hmm.
yeah, and I really saw your videos. You are a very positive kind of person, and I felt that I need to connect more with these people with these kind of aura. So
Mm-hmm.
that's the reason. That's why I mailed you.
Okay, okay. And Niharika, I am super glad and happy to hear that you have that clarity that your English is good. You are not here to improve your English, but you are here to improve your communication skills and to elevate your confidence level. You feel nervous while
Yeah.
talking. Great. This clarity
Yes.
will help you to, take the steps or actions which are
Yeah.
required and which can definitely help you to
Yes.
achieve that communication skill and
Yes.
elevate your confidence. Great. Okay, so
And
since it.
if I talk about English, I also feel that I sometimes also make a mistake
Mm-hmm,
in grammar. There
mm-hmm,
are quite a grammar mistakes which I do,
mm-hmm.
and yeah, so that's and plus I don't able to use that great vocab while conversing with anybody. So
Mm-hmm.
that's the things that I'm looking for.
Okay, got it. Uh, so I think making mistakes is pretty inevitable and common because if you listen to native speakers, they make tons of mistakes. But the thing is that they speak confidently. They wear their confidence and they don't have hesitation. They
Yeah.
speak a little faster. We are not able to understand that they are making mistakes, but they do. So do not just stop yourself or refrain yourself from indulging in conversations and talking. But I am out of curiosity. I really want to know like how often do you speak or indulge in conversations? Speak English, I
So
mean.
I work in corporate sector. So I
Mm-hmm.
work in corporate sector. So I get a lot of time when I have to connect with my clients. So at that, and the clients are international.
Mm-hmm.
So I have to use this language. And other than that, I sometimes I also use CV app. It's quite
Mm-hmm.
popular nowadays.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and nowadays I also enroll myself to English Yari. Uh,
Okay. How many
yeah,
sessions have you
I
completed?
only one.
Only one. Okay.
So
With whom?
yeah, I didn't recall the name. Sorry,
Okay, no
because I'm
problem.
very
Yeah.
new and
Mm-hmm. But
there.
that's
Sorry.
great,
So
great. Because you are already good at English at speaking, and those one on one sessions, interacting with them, they are because they don't judge you. They just analyze you and then help you give the right, appropriate, constructive feedback where you need to put
true.
efforts. And those sessions will definitely help you. Because I
Yeah,
also started
and
my journey like
recently,
this. Mm-hmm.
yes, yes, I saw your videos.
Yeah.
Recently, I also found that like these things I have been doing for a very long time. Now,
Mm-hmm.
I really wanted to add on different things. So I thought of enrolling myself on English
Mm-hmm.
Shari, and I also started recording myself while picking
Wow.
any topic. Yeah.
Mm. Okay, so you
So
had one
this.
session with English Shari tutor. I definitely want to know what exact feedback you got from that tutor.
Okay, he also said the same thing
Mm-hmm.
which I already knew about myself. First,
Mm-hmm.
I'm not able to articulate my thoughts really well. Like
Mm-hmm.
if there's a like topic, basically
Okay.
topic, I am able to do a conversation like this. But
Mm-hmm.
if I have to talk about something very different, like
Mm-hmm.
a very different topic, I'm not aware of it, and it's
Mm-hmm.
not and that topic we don't use much in usual talk
Mm-hmm.
while talking, right? At that time I face a lot of problem, and I sometimes I do make like grammar mistakes. Yeah,
So
and
this feedback you got
sometimes I
from
also,
the tutor.
yeah, hesitate. Yeah, sometimes
Hmm.
I hesitate too,
Okay.
and I guess I'm new there.
Hmm.
So that's why whenever I meet any new person,
Mm-hmm.
and if I know that he or she is better than me, then I also start stammering a lot.
Hmm.
And I
Yeah.
also sometimes I also use hours, and sometimes I will stop in between while
Mm-hmm.
doing conversation. So yeah, these are
Okay.
the things.
Yeah, there are a lot of, plethora of thoughts we get throughout the day.
Yeah,
And once we have some kind of, perception for the other person that, oh, she is popular, he is good at English, he is better than I, we automatically get that hesitation, the fear, and that stops us.
yes,
Though we are good, we are you I don't think so that you make many mistakes, very trivial. If you are making, then it's like, okay, it's entirely fine to make trivial mistakes while speaking. Otherwise, I think only these thoughts are holding you, or maybe these thoughts are just telling you that, okay, you are nervous or you have fear. But yes, over time, it was your first session over English, Ari. Over time, you will be
yeah.
able to encounter and overcome the fear. Okay.
The major thing what he mentioned is that I need to work on removing my hesitation and
Yeah.
fear of speaking.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
that's the like a
Okay.
crucial thing which I need to do.
Absolutely. You mentioned that you have recently started reading books. So, how many you have read so far,
Uh,
and which one you are currently reading?
okay, few of those I started after like a recommendation of you. First is
Okay.
attitude is everything, and
Mm-hmm.
recently I also purchased four agreements, if I'm
Oh,
correcting it.
I'm
Yeah,
happy to
yeah,
hear that.
yeah. And and this year only I started reading book, and the first book which I read was Still Like an Artist, and I just loved that book.
Mm-hmm.
I really appreciate how the writer has written that, and
Demonstrated.
after that, yeah, he
Hmm.
demonstrated his thoughts and how easily it was to read. So
Mm-hmm.
after reading that, that book really motivated to read more, and
Yeah.
then I started looking for more books.
Wow, I'm super happy to hear
I
this because
purchased,
sometimes what
yeah,
happens, the person starts with any book they don't like. When the book is not able to captivate them, they stop reading right then and there. They
yeah,
don't pick another
true,
book. So first book
yeah,
should be
yeah,
like a book which can, that
yes,
can emerge or emit the, interest in somebody. So they pick the next one and then next one, and
true,
then they crave for
yeah,
reading. So first book should be always very interesting. So I would like to know the
very
name again.
interesting,
Can you
yeah.
repeat it?
Still like an artist.
Okay, Still Like an Artist.
Yeah,
Okay, I
yeah.
haven't read
As
it.
I'm also a designer, so maybe I
Oh,
related it related to that book more. So that's
wow.
why.
Great. And that is why
Yeah.
I suggest people that pick a book which is related to your own interest. Then you will be immersed
Yes.
in
True.
it and you will be able to make, build
Yeah.
the habit of reading. Great. Okay. And I'm happy to hear that you are reading. You have attitude is everything and four agreements, which is again, I appreciate a lot, and they will help you to
Yeah.
not only
Yes.
just enhance your English, but about life, about your
Yeah.
own
And to
attitude.
understand the life better. Yeah. True.
Mm-hmm.
I just love
Absolutely.
the attitude is everything. I still need to read the four agreements, but yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, Four Agreements is
I,
remarkable. I have read it two times and I would read again and again. I have started reading again The Secret. Earlier I read it, I think 2 years ago, I guess, when I started, but now I am going to read that again to apply the law
Great.
of attraction again
Before,
in my life.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
like when I was in college or even at that time, I tried to read,
Mm-hmm.
but no book ever able to
Mm-hmm.
attract me. But yeah, currently
That's
I
an
recently
intensive
found
work to
few good
do
books.
research and find your own interest. People stop after
Yeah,
one book. They should not pick another, third one, fourth one. Some or the other one will be able to hold your attention and, make you feel that, okay, this is something which you can relate with, and then you can read and
yeah.
go further with the same habit. Okay, great.
And this has also happened like every time when we talk to the other person and
Mm-hmm.
talk about books, we got to know that they are into fiction book, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I also used to thought that fiction book is great to start, and
Mm-hmm.
I read. few fiction book, but it never intrigued me a lot. So
Intrigued
yeah,
you. Pretty
yeah,
relatable.
intrigued. Yeah.
I also don't relate with fiction. I have read only The Alchemist. Yeah, and that I liked.
Oh,
Yeah, initially I didn't like, but
I also have that book.
then I forced
Yeah.
myself a little bit. After 5, 6 pages, I got that interest. So you have to force a little bit in this. Then I liked it. Yeah,
Sometimes.
yeah,
Yeah. I also read few pages of that book, but I left in
yeah.
between.
Just
Maybe
read
I need to start
15 to
it
20
with that
pages.
again.
Yeah, 20 pages read,
Yeah,
and then you
okay.
will find that
I,
story, how it
sure,
is
I
going.
will.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
Yeah, sure, I will. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Any topic specifically in your brain, your mind that you would like to discuss with me?
Actually, I'm not prepared and I'm not thought
Mm-hmm.
about of it. So it would be better if you
Mm-hmm.
start with any topic.
Okay, so shall we start? Shall can we discuss the topic shopping? That would be easier for you to talk upon.
Yeah, it's
Okay, so I
I
would like to know, do
you
you
can.
enjoy shopping? Why or why not?
Definitely, I do, but I'm not that impulsive shopper.
Mm,
So I take a lot of time while shopping, a lot. So
mm-hmm.
whenever I go with someone, I'm not able to decide at that time what I need, because before purchasing anything, I there's so many things which keep running in my mind, that should I take this or not? Should I able to use it again or not? And like these. So
Mm,
yeah, so but I really enjoy going out and seeing the product. Yeah, it
mm-hmm.
really makes me happy though. And
Yeah.
um, yeah, and as a designer, as I told you, I'm a designer. So whenever I see things,
Mm-hmm.
firstly of what I firstly observe is that the color, and
Mm-hmm.
is the like the trend, is it
Mm-hmm.
trendy or not. And
Mm-hmm.
it's something, it should look differently from the other products.
Mm-hmm.
These kind of like objects, products, articles, like interest me more.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's great. Okay, and
Do you like
it,
shopping?
of course, I think everybody, I'm not going to say that every girl likes it. Nowadays, it's not about girls. I have seen boys trying a lot of dresses, trying a lot of different t-shirts and different colors and different shirts, even making, I have seen a lot of reels over Instagram and even shorts over YouTube where they are telling how to dress up, and then they are talking about the dress and matching and all. So I think everybody enjoys, every single one enjoys.
Yeah.
Recently I had a conversation with a professor. She is 52 years old, and she was, when I brought this topic and when I asked her, do you enjoy shopping, she's like, yeah, a lot, I enjoy shopping a lot, and every now and then I go there. She has only one son, sorry. So he says that he doesn't want me to shop for him, but whenever I go and I like something, I just bring shirts for him and all. So I think everybody enjoys. It doesn't matter if you are a
Yeah,
girl, boy, or elder one, or the
it's a
young.
fun task actually. Yeah,
And it makes
you
you
can
happy,
do it
though it
effortlessly.
is for
Yeah,
certain period of time, but yes, it makes. And once you are you have that financial freedom, and you have that freedom to choose anything,
uh,
and then it becomes like more fun to do, right? So yes, I do
true, true.
enjoy. Yeah, I would like to know, like,
Yeah.
if you have that a little issue with decision making or selecting the stuff and color and thinking a lot about it, then I think it is the thing which takes a lot of time for you to go for shopping, and it would be a little,
Yeah.
you know that requires your thoughts, and then
If,
you decide. And
yeah.
so I am curious, do you do shopping online? Like, it would be really difficult for you to go for shopping, like prefer
Oh,
shopping
it is
online.
very. It's a daunting task for me.
Mm-hmm.
I like every time when I need to purchase something, I'll ask my friends, uh,
Mm-hmm.
my best
Oh.
friend. So I take screenshot and then send to him or
Mm-hmm.
her, and then ask me, should I get it?
Mm-hmm.
How it is looking, please tell me. And
Mm-hmm.
If they tell yes, it is fine, then it really helps
Oh
me
my
to take
god.
decision.
Or maybe they should be sending you the screenshot and send asking you that what is the right one and the tell me the color or the combination and things.
No,
But
it's not about always.
mm-hmm,
It's not like that. I'm not purchasing it because of its design or anything. It's
mm-hmm,
just I don't want to spend my money mindlessly.
mm-hmm,
So
mindlessly.
yeah,
Okay, yeah.
that's why I want to make sure
Mm-hmm.
is this really important, or should invest this money on something else. So
Okay.
that's why it takes a lot of time.
So I think
Yeah.
mostly you go
This.
with that offline shopping, like shopping where you can touch the
Yeah.
stuff and then you can see
Yes.
the
Yeah.
texture of that and then you purchase. Maybe you
Yes.
try and then okay, great. Uh, so there is one skill which is very popular and which is like everybody knows that women or girls are known for bargaining. They're very good at, no matter how much they're able to, but they are good. What about you? Do you have that particular skill of bargaining?
Yeah, I have.
Wow.
I politely asked the shopkeeper, please bhaiya, come kar do. And like this.
Emotionally,
Yeah,
like,
emotionally. I tried to blackmail
mm,
emotionally.
got it. Yeah.
I don't habit of screaming much, like,
Mm-hmm.
or
But a
telling
lot of
my
women are
husband,
like
please.
very bold and they say in a voice, ferocious voice, then the person has to, listen to them and they are very
Yeah,
stubborn. I'm not going to purchase if you're not
that's
going to give
also
any
the one.
discount.
Yeah.
But in my case,
What
I'm
kind
not
of
able
person
to.
you are? You don't?
No.
Okay.
Like, I was kind of an introvert earlier, so it was always difficult for me to bargain. But now, for like, I can do a little bit, not that much. Like, if the person is denying for two to three times, it would be difficult for me to push him further. So but little bit I have incorporated as my confidence has increased now, so I have that now audacity to ask. At least earlier I didn't even had that
Oh,
audacity to ask for discount. Now I ask, and I
oh.
ask about I ask a lot of questions before purchasing. Earlier it was not the case, so gradually maybe I'm improving, and I want to have that skill in me because it's quite
But
interesting.
it is nowadays. Yeah,
Mhm.
great. Nowadays it is opposite to for me, because
Mhm.
earlier I was literally used to bargain a lot, but nowadays I'm not able to. I don't know
Okay.
what is the reason, but I don't know, because
Okay.
maybe I'm start able to understand that when we go to mall, we never bargain with them, right?
In mall,
So
yes, we
that's a
don't.
thought.
Hmm.
Yeah, so I feel like it's okay if I will
Mm-hmm.
pay 100 rupees for it. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
sometimes, but the product, I know that product doesn't cost more
Mm-hmm.
than 500 or 600, and
Mm-hmm.
they are asking like 1,000 or something. Then at that time, obviously,
Mm-hmm.
I do.
Mm-hmm.
If the
See,
product is good, everything
mm-hmm.
is great, then I don't mind getting a same price what he is quoting.
Yeah, I also don't feel these days to ask for discount and do the bargaining, but I want to check my confidence. Just in order to elevate my
Yeah.
confidence level, I want to do that. Like deliberately, I want to do that, whether he gives it or not. But I just ask because this is something which definitely helps you feel, confident. And soon as you come out of the shop, you feel that okay, I asked that, okay, I did that. It helps you to shift a little mindset. Okay, you have that confidence, and then you feel like okay, I can also do this. Sometimes because a lot of doubts are there in our mind that okay, I cannot do this, or I'm not able to achieve this, or I'm not able to speak in front of elders, something like that, which stop us from achieving the extraordinary things in our life. So somewhere we have to try new things to push our
Yeah,
selves
these
to.
things help us to outspoken,
Hmm.
to become
As I
outspoken.
am not
Yeah,
able to
it's a good
speak to
strategy.
people outside much, but recently, like, I
Okay.
don't get opportunities now because I work from home and I live in a village. I don't go out. Only shopping is the thing which I go for, so I want to speak there. That is why maybe I do that.
That's
Okay.
great. This makes
Anything
me think, do you also go out to have lunch or dinner alone to any cafe or restaurant?
alone?
Have you ever tried?
No. Mm, when I was in my college, I tried a few times because I was in JNU. So JNU, you don't need to go out from the campus. In the campus itself, you have everything available. So there I went a few times. That's not a big thing, I guess, because out of campus I didn't go and it was not required. But apart from that, I had always friends. So we always prefer going with friends, right? So after coming to home, like shifting to home, I don't. By the way, I'm not that foodie person. I don't enjoy eating out. Even though when I was with friends in there in college in PG, they were like, you don't have to refrain or force yourself to, stop eating out or eating junk food or anything because they always had this craving to have food outside and order something. And whenever they asked me, do you want to have that? Do you want to eat that? I always refuse. And they're like, kitna aasan hai yaar tere liye. You don't even have the craving. So it's not like you have to force yourself. So I'm the kind of person who loves food cooked by my mother, like cooked at home only. Yeah. So I never tried
Yeah,
that. But that's again a
it's
great thing.
great
That
to
also
hear.
elevates your confidence. Go out for a movie, go
Yeah,
out on
yes,
a
sure.
date, like solo date, or go out for a coffee at least. But here is the case. One more case is that I don't know how to drive scooty. And everybody asks me to
Okay.
learn. But I'm like, I don't have time. I don't have. It's like an excuse. I understand that. But only on
Okay.
Sundays
Do you
at
know
least I
how to
can do it.
drive a car?
No, that's what
Do
I'm
you drive?
saying. That I don't
Okay.
want to learn scooty. I would just learn how to drive cars. So let's see. I'm making excuse because I
Yeah,
think I have
this
fear
year
of
this is also
driving.
my goal. Yeah.
Okay.
This year this is also my goal to learn car driving. I
Wow.
know a little bit
Mm-hmm.
how to drive scooty, but
Mm-hmm.
still I need to learn car
Mm-hmm.
driving.
Okay, that's great. That's maybe your short-term goal to achieve.
Yeah. Yes.
Great. And I
Hopefully
hope
I
that
will
you
complete this year.
achieve the confidence too and remove your hesitation and fear. You can do it.
Yeah,
I
I'm
have seen you
working
can do
towards
it
it.
easily. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just connect to
I'm
many
working
people.
towards it. Let's see. Yeah,
Hmm.
from now I'm like even I knew you before, but it took me a lot of time to
Mm-hmm.
just send you a
Reach out to me.
email. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, but
Yeah.
finally I did it, and yeah, I'm here. I'm talking to you, so I'm
Mm-hmm.
really really proud of myself.
I am too. And I got a lot of positive
Yeah.
vibes from you. As I'm telling you, to be honest, like I swear that I got this vibe, positive vibe from your mail itself. I don't know why, but I got it, and I thought to just connect, and that is why I was waiting for 20 minutes. Otherwise, it's not possible that I'm waiting for 20 minutes. But I was like, I wanna
Thank
meet
you
this
so
girl. I don't
much.
know why.
Yeah.
That maybe
Thank you
universe
so
wanted
much
me to
for
meet
doing this.
you. So I was
Yeah.
just sitting and let
I
I was like,
manifested it there. I manifested it. So that's why it happened.
okay, you have
Yeah.
manifested. Oh my god, people are manifesting me. The session as like, and that is why, okay,
You're
you
a
are
good
manifestation.
speaker, I must say, and you are helping a lot of people improving
Okay.
their spoken English confidence level.
Hmm.
So,
Your
yeah.
affirmations are
Because
working
I
then.
knew that. Yeah. Yes.
Great, great. Many people are
Because
doing
as a
this.
girl, yeah, as a
Mm-hmm.
girl, I also want to do a lot of things in my life, but
Mm-hmm.
sometimes because of the confidence or because of hesitation, we won't be able to do, right?
Mm.
But from the starting, you gathered all the courage to start your YouTube channel, though you
Mm-hmm.
were not like very great at that time,
Very
right?
pathetic at
But you
English.
just,
Yeah.
yeah, but
Hmm.
still slowly by yeah, by learning you are here now. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
Yeah, so that I hope that this helps many people, and this is the motive behind it to just help people feel confident and do not let that language be the barrier in your career or in your dreams, or if you are highly ambitious girl, do not let your English or confidence stop you from achieving
Yeah,
that. So that's a great
that's
thing,
true.
you have
I
also taken
also
that
want to,
initiative.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I also want to start my YouTube channel. I don't
Wow.
know like in which niche I should
Mm-hmm.
start. Yeah.
Whatever you like, you can
Like
start
yes,
in
yes,
your
I
niche
got
itself. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, yeah. I'm
Because
thinking the same. Let's see.
hmm,
Maybe I also feel I also want to connect with people, but I don't want to do this. I'm also sure, but differently. I want to take this forward. Let's
hmm,
see how I am able to implement.
you will figure it
Yeah.
out, because the clarity you have is like, this is not what I want to do, is also a next level thing to help you achieve and find the right direction and right purpose that you actually want to do. So that's great that you have clarity
Hmm.
of what you need to do and what you don't need to do. And gradually
Yeah.
keep searching, keep pondering about it, and keep applying the LOA, the law of attraction and manifestation, which will help you to achieve that. You will even get
Yeah.
the idea,
Sure.
because see, when I started my YouTube channel, I was totally like, sure and blank, you can say. Like, I didn't expect anything. I thought I have zero subscriber, zero views, but this is gonna help me to achieve my fluency. That's it. So I didn't have any expectation. So when you don't have any expectation, like, you accept yourself, like, okay, let me do my work and let the universe, do his work, this its work. So when I started putting my efforts in it and I didn't think of results, I think I got it. I would say
Yeah.
so. Do not have expectations and do not think much about it. Just whatever comes in your mind, whatever you like, just go with that. Because sometimes what happens, people have to make a lot of, you have to create a lot of channels, and then finally after sixth or fifth channel, they get the, success in YouTube.
Idea.
Because
Clarity.
yeah,
Yeah. Yes.
because sometimes it's not like what you want to become or want to show is really appreciated or really accepted by people. Sometimes maybe by trial and error you get there where universe or wants you to be. That's maybe you are not
Yeah.
sure right now, but by trial and errors you will get that. I also didn't know that I will become
Let's see.
this or a YouTuber. Never ever thought about it, but maybe the destiny led me to do this. So this is
Yeah.
how you can just try
Yes.
and
It took me a lot of time to understand these things, but
hmm,
I'm glad that now I'm able to understand a lot of
great.
stuff. And let's see what else I can do. Yeah.
Be very optimistic, and I would say you would be able to, because once you have that positive aura, it becomes easier to attract things in life, because we are
Yes.
magnet. Just accept that and you will achieve everything, just like you have manifested this session. And I'm super happy that people are able to manifest things whatever they think of. It's a great thing. I'm feeling, super excited. I don't know what I got, but I'm
Yeah.
happy to meet you and see you and have a conversation with you. It was lovely
Yes. I'm
talking.
also
If
very
you
happy. Yeah. Happy to meet you.
so
Yeah. Happy
yeah,
to
we
connect you
can
and
wind the
talk.
session.
Yeah.
But yes, before
Yes. Sure.
winding up, definitely I would like to hear if there is anything that you want to add or suggest or say. Yeah.
No, I'm very happy that I'm able to connect
Mm-hmm.
with you.
Mm-hmm.
Previously at 6:30, I thought today I guess I'm not able to, but
Mm-hmm.
thank God I got your mail, and yeah, and it happened. So yeah,
Thank you so much. I also
thank you so
enjoyed a
much.
lot
Yeah.
talking to you. And I really admire, appreciate your positive attitude, the clarity you have, and all the very best. Keep working, keep putting in work, and do not think about the results. If you are a strong believer of yourself and the universe, you will get the, magical results. Okay?
Yes, this is what I want to do. Thank you so much for
Yeah, yeah.
motivating me.
Yeah, you're
Thank you so
welcome.
much.
And thank you
Yeah,
so much for your time.
yeah.
Bye. Have a great evening ahead.
You too. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah, you're
Bye.
welcome. Bye bye.